Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Trendy kitchen sink ideas are a mirage of functionality and style, making them a standout feature in modern kitchens. Farmhouse sinks are also known as Appelon front sinks continue to be a top choice with their rustic charm and availability in various materials like firstly stainless steel and cast iron under mouthing offer a clean and seamless appearance of being installed beneath the countertop, coming in various shapes and materials such as stainless steel and composite. Deep and oversized sinks are a practical choice, offering ample space for washing large pots and pans, making them highly functional for busy kitchens. Another trendy option is the use of black and matte finish for sinks, infusing an air of elegance and sophistication into the kitchen while adding a contemporary edge to the overall design. These trendy sink ideas not only evaluate the functionality of the kitchen but also contribute to its visual appeal, become a central element in the modern culinary space. For those seeking to make a bold design statement, colorful sinks in shades like navy blue, forest green, or matte black are becoming a preferred choice, injecting personality and vibrancy into the kitchen space. Lastly, quartz composite sinks are gaining ground due to their durability and sleek, modern appearance, available in various colors. These sinks resist scratches, stains, and heat, making them a highly practical and stylish option, particularly for kitchens that seen a lot of action. These diverse sink designs cater to various tastes and needs, allowing homeowners to customize their kitchens while elevate both functionality and visual appeal. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.